In this video, I will show you how to fix spinning circle on a message request on Messenger. So if you're facing such error, what you can do is simply open up your settings, scroll down below until you find apps, then click on it, then go to app management. From here in the search bar, search for Messenger, then click on it. Now click on force stop, then confirm it. After that, click on storage uses. Here you can find clear cache, click on it. Once the cache is clear, you can try relaunching the app. Or the next thing that you can do is simply go to Play Store. In the search bar, search for Messenger. From here, check if there is any update available. If there is, then simply update your app. But if your app is already up to date, then what you can do is simply click and hold on to the Messenger icon. From here, click on uninstall, confirm it, then go to Play Store and download the app again. And if the error persists, what you can do is simply access Messenger from any web browser or from your computer. Simply open up Chrome or any web browser. In the search bar, search for Messenger, then click on messenger.com. From there, log into your account and try using it. And if it's not working even in the website, then Messenger might be facing the entire server outage. Simply wait it out, and after a few hours you can try it again. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.